Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel. Okay, in this video we are learning about exercise unit 4 about matter. Okay, are you ready to start? Let's say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Properties of matter. Answer the following questions regarding properties of matter. What is matter? The answer is anything that has mass and occupies space. Next, give 2 examples of matter. Pencil, eraser, water, gases, etc. Next, give 1 example of non-matter. Sound, light, and heat. Next question. What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. What tool is used to measure the mass of an object? And the answer is lever balance or electronic balance. Next questions. What is volume? Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. Next questions. An activity is carried out to compare the mass of 3 objects, X, Y, and Z. Look at the picture. From the picture, let's answer the question. Questions A. Which object has a greater mass, X or Y? And the answer is X has a greater mass. Question B. Which object has the smallest mass, X, Y, or Z? And the answer is object Y. Question C. Arrange the object based on their mass in ascending order. And the answer is Y, X, and Z. The next topic is about 3 states of matter. Complete the table below regarding the states of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Now look at the property. The shape. Solid has fixed shape, and liquid has no fixed shape, and gas has no fixed shape too. And now the volume. Solid has fixed volume, liquid has fixed volume too, and gas has no fixed volume. Compressibility. Solid cannot be compressed, liquid cannot be compressed too, and then gas can be compressed. And now example of solid is ice, example of liquid is water, and example of gas is steam. Choose the best answer. Question number 1. Which of the following statements is true about matter? And the answer is matter has mass and volume. Question number 2. Which of the following is not matter? And the answer is sound. Number 3. The diagram below shows a pupil measuring an irregular shaped object. This is the irregular shaped object. How much is the volume of the object? Now look at the number. The volume before is 50 milliliter, and the volume after we put the irregular object is 75 milliliter. So the answer is 75 minus 50. The answer is 25 milliliter. Number 4. The diagram below shows the condition of a balloon before and after air was pumped into it. What is the property of air shown in this activity? And the answer is air occupies space. Question number 5. What are the states of matter? And the answer is solid, liquid, and gas. Number 6. The information below describes X. It has no fixed volume. It takes the shape of its container, and it can be compressed. Which of the following can be X? And the answer is oxygen. Question number 7. Which of the following exists as a liquid at room temperature? And the answer is water. Question number 8. The diagram below shows an ice cream. What is the similarity of P and Q? And the answer is they have a fixed volume. Question number 9. Which of the following has a fixed shape and a fixed volume? And the answer is marble. Question number 10. The diagram below shows that 500 milliliter of water is poured into each of the container of different shapes. This shows that water has no fixed shape but has a fixed volume. Next part, answer all the questions below. Question 1. The diagram shows two balloons tied to a stick. Question A. Which balloon has a greater mass? Balloon P or balloon Q? And the answer is balloon P. Question B. What tool can be used to measure the mass of an object? And the answer is lever balance or electronic balance. Question C. What conclusion can you make from the activity above? The answer is gases have mass. Next activity. A pupil uses a tool to measure the volume of water. This is the activity. Question A. Name the tool used in the diagram. And the answer is measuring cylinder. Question B. Based on the diagram, what is the volume of water? Look at the number. And the answer is 25 milliliter. Question C. Which eye position is correct when taking the reading? Okay, choose X, Y, or Z. And the answer is Y. Question D. Beside milliliters, what other unit can be used to measure the volume of water? And the answer is cubic centimeters or liters. Number 3. The diagram below shows 3 states of matters and their examples. Complete the diagram with the correct answer in the spaces provided. States of matter. The answer is solids, liquids, and gas. And these are the example of each state. State 1 difference between P and Q. And the answer is P has a fixed shape while Q does not have a fixed shape. Next, Q and gas. The answer is Q has a fixed volume while gas does not have a fixed volume. Okay, next, the diagram shows an investigation about a property of gas. Look at the experiment. Question 1. Why are there bubbles that arise from the hole in the plastic cup after the finger is released? Okay, look at this. You can see bubble after you release your finger. And the answer is, the gas inside the glass is released into the water and then moves into the air. Question 2. What is the conclusion from the investigation? And the answer is, gas occupies space. Alhamdulillah, I think it's enough for the lesson. If you think the video is helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share. Okay, see you in my next lesson. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.